Come on. Welcome to another session of Sustainable Engineering, MCN 201, Module 2, Lecture 3. Myself, Rahul Anar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Srinarayana Institute of Technology. Next topic in this chapter is zero waste concept. We are going to look what is zero waste concept. Okay, let's begin the section. Okay, zero waste concept. Zero waste is a philosophy or a design principle for the 21st century. Zero waste, maximize recycling, minimize waste, reduce consumption and ensure that products are made to be reused, repaired or recycled back into the nature or to the marketplace. Zero waste is also defined as a goal that is ethical, economical, efficient and visionaries to guide peoples in changing their lifestyle and practices to emulate sustainable natural cycle, where all discarded materials are designed to become resources for others to use. According to this concept, 90% of all materials being disposed must be either recycled or compost. It rejects the concept of waste. Instead, the term reduce is used. According to the concept of zero waste, we can tell that maximum recycling, minimum waste, reduce consumption and ensure the products are made to be reused, repaired or recycled back into the nature or marketplace. Okay, according to the concept we discussed earlier itself, the zero waste seeking maximum recycling. Maximum recycling should be done, which will lead to minimum waste. How can we make minimum waste? Reduce the consumptions. Only because of reducing the consumptions, we can ensure that product can be reused, repaired or recycled back into the nature or marketplace. So these 4 points are the main concept, and the zero waste principle is according to these 4 points. First one is maximum recycling should be done, minimum waste needed, reduce the consumptions and ensure the product can be reused, repaired and recycled back to the nature. Okay, what is zero waste? Zero waste is a missionary goal, ethical and missionary goal that attempts to emulate sustainable development through encouraging, redesigning and manufacturing of products to reduce their waste volume and toxicity of waste and materials. It recognizes that one person's trash is another person's treasure. All materials are resources. Okay, according to this point, the zero waste encourages redesigning and manufacturing of products which can be reused, recycled and reduce the waste. According to the zero waste, one person's waste or one person is dumping a waste or one person is using a product and the product he used and dumped will be the another person's treasure. All materials available in the earth are a treasure or resources for other person. It should be. It should be a resource or treasure for another person. So the principle of zero waste: take less because resource is limited. Make better. Redesign products to last or be recycled or compost. Use responsibly. Repair, reuse. Add back. Recycle, recover. This is the cycle of zero waste concept. Take less, make better, use responsibly, add back. Add back to the nature or to the marketplace. Consumption less, maximum utility, reduce waste reduction less, add back, ensure the products back to nature with reuse, recycle or compost. Okay, this is the cycle. What are the benefits of zero waste? First, it will support sustainability. Second one, it savings money. Third, improved material flow. Fourth one, waste minimization. Fifth one, environmental protection. These are the benefits. These five are the main benefits of zero waste: sustainability, saving money, improve material flow, waste minimization, environmental protection. What are the key elements of zero waste city concept? Okay, to make a city zero waste, what are the concept? What are the elements? First element is behavior changes and sustainable consumptions. The behavior of the persons or the city peoples have to be changed and reduce the consumption or sustainable consumption to be done. Extend producers and consumer responsibilities. Consumer responsibility to be extended and producer responsibilities also to be responsible. 100% recycling of waste. Reduction in waste material, and the waste should be recycled in 10%, 100%. The waste should be reused. Allocated zero landfilling and inclination. The landfilling should be minimized to zero, and recovery. Resource recovery from the waste should be 100%. 10% resource recovery from waste should be done. Okay, waste management hierarchy. The hierarchy of waste management. Prevention is the most favorable options. The resources should be prevented. Then next one is minimize. The third one is reuse. Minimize the resources and waste. Third one is the waste should be reuse. Then the fourth one is recycle. Fifth one is energy recovery. Fourth one is disposal. This is the waste management hierarchy. It means that first we have to try for prevention of the waste or resources from waste or making it into a waste. If we make it into a waste, then it should be minimized. The waste should be minimized. Or we have to try for reuse. If it is not possible to reuse, then you try for recycling. If we are trying for recycling and we are not getting to it, then try for generating energy from it. Energy should be generated from the waste. If it is not possible to make these steps, energy recovery also, then nothing can be done from the waste. So we have to dispose of the waste. And coming to the last point, 3R concept. Earlier also we deal with this topic, 3 concepts. That is same 3R. 3R concept means reduce, reuse, recycle for a happier earth. The waste management consists of activities required to reduce addressive effect of waste on our health, environment and aesthetics. 3R concept means reduce, reuse, recycle for a better and happier earth. Reduce means to use things with care to reduce the amount of waste generated. First is reduce of the waste. Second is reuse, to repeat use of items or parts of items. Third is recycling the waste, to use the waste as resources or recycle the waste back to the nature or marketplace for use by the human beings or living organisms. So first step is reduce, second is reuse and third is recycle. This is the 3R concept. Reduce means reducing the waste generation at sources. Purchase minimum number of product that is necessary for us for our consumption. The purpose is to reduce the amount of waste generation, which in turn reduce the amount of waste disposal of in the landfills or email. For example, use emails to minimize the paper. Save air. Switch off the unused lights. Save energy. Switch offing the lights leads to save energy. Use natural lighting instead of electrical lights whenever possible. Save. Energy conservation can be done through reducing the waste. Purchase energy efficient products. 5-star consumer products are available in the market and lighting products like LED bulbs are available. So we have to purchase energy sufficient energy consuming products. Promote and practice carpooling. Carpooling should be promoted and practiced. Next is reuse. Long-lasting goods should be reused over and over with or without minor modification or repair. This involves the cleaning and using materials over and over and thus increasing the lifespan of product. The product should be cleaned and used over and over will leads to the lifespan of products. Example, bottles, can, cartons, etc. Electronic gadgets, use of shopping bags made of cloths or jutes, which leads to plastic waste reduction. Third point is recycle. The generated waste or discarded waste that cannot be used again in its original form can be sent back to the industries to be broken down. Used as a resource to made into a new product of the same type or into something entirely different. Occurs in 3 phases. Waste is sought and recyclable are collected. Recyclable are used to create raw materials. Raw materials can be used in the production of products. Recycling reduces the amount of waste that is thrown into the community dustbin, thereby making the environment cleaner. For example, plastic items are recycled into new plastic products. We can convert the plastic products into new plastic products. Metal scraps, which are the waste from metal or broken glasses, can be used into non-metal products. The waste materials can either reused nor recycled must be disposed of in a proper manner with minimum impact to the environment. The waste which cannot be reused or recycled should dispose, but it should be disposed in a proper manner that will not affect the environment. There are 2 types of recycling. One is upcycle, low value material to high value material. Second is downcycle, valuable products into low valuable raw materials, less desirable materials. What we can do to reduce solid waste? We can do so many things to reduce the solid waste. One is we can use paper bags or cloth bags instead of plastic bags for shopping. Another thing is segregating the waste into house. As you know that there are houses or small scale plants are made by this segregating the waste. Self-recycled items. Crafts are making from the waste, solid waste. Craft designings are there from recycling materials. So we can sell that recycled item. Compost pit in our garden. Compost pit should be made in our garden to reduce the solid waste. Garbage to municipal. Other reuse and recycled options. We can make flower pot, designer bottles, candle bottles, flower pot from tires. We can make benches, chairs from tires. We can use plastic bottles for flower pots, etc. This can be used for so many years. This plastic waste as a pot we can use for so many years. So we are using this plastic for pots and all.